Hello everyone, this is Hina from Soulful Adventures, and today I'm back with our next tarot card reading session for the month of July 2020. It's an official Cancer season and I'm happy to be into this season. It's a very emotional, sentimental, sensitive season which is going to affect, of course, the water signs, especially the Cancer and other signs also. We have Mars in Aries. We have stopped living in the Venus retrograde. So Venus retrograde has been stopped, and yes, Mars in Aries till January. So bigger changes are going to come. I'm here to ask you whether you have subscribed to my channel yet or not. If not, please subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Not only tarot, I am also doing the personality traits of all the zodiac signs, so it would be easy for you to understand your zodiac signs, the personality, the strength, the weakness, and then come and look or identify your proper moon sign, sun sign, which is going to affect you more, and which readings are more accurate, which behavior is more accurate to you, and then go through my tarot card readings. And yes, please like, comment and share these videos. Thank you. So let's see what are the cards for our next zodiac sign, and that is Pisces. Now Pisces is the last zodiac sign. It's a water sign. It's a sign where you need to Pisces people need to reflect onto their life every time, learn new lessons. They are really very intuitive. They should believe in intuition, and I feel they take decisions according to what they feel rather than what they think. They are quite artistic people, creative people, very deep, I can tell you, very humble, hardworking people, and they are very honest and true people. I feel by from heart they are really very much true. They feel that they shouldn't hurt anybody, and if someone hurts them, it's really I can tell you difficult to understand why the other person is behaving so rude with them. Okay, they are really very loving people. So let's see what are the cards for Pisces for the month of July 2020 and what Cancer season has brought for them, because yes, Cancer is also water sign, so yes, even Pisces will get more affected rather than any other signs, because it's also emotional, sensitive sign. So let's see what are the cards for Pisces. I'll give a little shuffle more. I will draw some cards for you, Pisces, and later I will explain you the position, and then we will go ahead with the reading. I hope you are able to see these cards properly. Fine. Okay. Beautiful cards. Most of them are cups. Okay, so let's begin with your reading. I will explain you the position first. These are the 6 cards. Okay, so these 2 cards, specifically 3 of Cups and Knight of Wands, are your past energies for the 1 month or 15-20 days, what situations you had. So these 2 cards are about your past situations, maybe for 1 month or 15-20 days, what situations you had, what energies you felt, and how you came out of it. Because Pisces last month was very difficult for everyone, because there were many planets that were retrograding. There was even the So these 2 cards are all about your past energy for last 15-20 days or maybe a month, because last month was quite difficult for all the zodiac signs. We had lot of planets retrograding, then coming, going, then there was eclipse, then there was also, so last 2 months were like very difficult, especially for the last month, Pisces. It was having a lot of planets retrograding, then there was eclipse, then there was new moon, and we had lot of energies together. But this month there are many planets which have stopped retrograding. Then we have Mars in Aries, and there is at least a way about passion and how to deal with it. So these two cards are about your past, for 15-20 days or maybe a June, what energies you felt, what situations you were into. While these middle cards are for your present scenarios or situations that you might come in few weeks, and how you should behave, or what your energy should be, what message universe wants to tell you, and what behavior or what messages universe wants you to have, so that you can deal the current scenarios which will be coming in few weeks of July. While these two cards, Five of Cups in reverse and Ace of Cups, are your future, near future energies or situation, maybe July last week or August first week, because that is a Leo season and we are ending with a Cancer season. That's why this is the position of your energies or the position of your cards. Let's see your first two cards, that is Three of Cups. Now, as you can see, it's a celebration, it's a happiness. Maybe your goals got accomplished, a new job, a new home, a new business, a new love, a marriage getting fixed, or whatever. What was your cause or what you were waiting for so long, finally a time for celebration. So maybe in the month of June you had a celebration, a party time, a happiness. It could also mean a new birth in your family. It could also mean a gala time. That job you wanted, you got it. That work you wanted, you got it. That proposal you wanted other person to accept, yeah, that person has accepted your proposal. So all these things, that there was a celebration time for you guys. Then there was Knight of Wands. So when Knight of Wands comes, it's about the passion driven energy. So once there was a celebration, now there is no stopping. So Pisces knew this. They knew somewhere, because they always know many things. They have this intuition. Now once I am getting this celebrated, what I can say, situation, and I'm happy and everyone is happy, now there is no looking back. I'm going ahead with this passion, with all these learnings and new business, and with all this fired in me. My horse is not looking back. I'm not riding back right now. I'm riding only with passion and in full energy. Then we have Five of Wands, that is reverse in present scenario. Five of Wands is an argument situation, guys, right? But for you it's in a reverse scenario. So there were battles around you, maybe in the past or something, but still you had a gala time, you had a celebration. And finally, when you decided in the last few weeks, maybe for 1 and 2 last weeks of June, that now there is no looking back, I am taking this passion and energy with me and I'm going to achieve that target, I'm going to achieve that goal. You don't have any battles around you, so don't start them, okay? Because Pisces are really very deep energy. They think very deeply. Sometimes they overthink, and that's the problem. If there are no conflicts around you, if there are no conflicts anywhere, please don't start having conflict within you, because this is a Cancer season, Pisces. It's going to be emotional. It's really very hard on everyone. I can tell you from my personal experience, Cancer season is really very hard to deal for me especially. So I completely understand this energy. We have all those past memories coming back, or flashbacks of life. Then we have we are feeling more than usual and we don't know why, but this is the season, this is the time we need to be strong with ourselves. And if there are no conflicts around you, if there is everything going good and win-win situation, don't put yourself into a situation where you will get into an argument or into some battles. Don't, because you really need to focus on your own passion and work. And if you really not care about arguments and everything, you will have a situation of Nine of Cups, where you would be feeling literally feeling and physically feeling this improvement, full of satisfaction, full of contentment, this peace of mind, then you will be very happy with whatever you have earned till now, and you will be very pleased. So please try to be, more of you and less of others. I can tell you, yes, more of you. You are an energy who can be very happy. You are an energy who has a charm of helping others, who has a charm of being very creative. So put all the efforts in your creation and creativity, rather than having this any stupid conflicts which is of no use now. Okay, focus your energy on something which makes you satisfactory, and which makes you content, and don't focus on any other things which is going to hold you back again and pull you into any sad or bad situation. Okay, you have 5 of cups in reverse and ace of cups. As I told you, see, we have 2 fives in present also, in future situation also. So what 5 of wands mean? Don't put your passion or don't put your spirit into something which is of no use, no arguments, because these arguments are proving to be of no use, right? So 5 of cups is again what it means, whatever was left behind, okay, learn from those and move ahead. Because if this was upright, I would have said just move ahead, don't look at back, just move ahead. You still have 2 cups in your hand, but whatever you have spilled, it's in reverse, guys. So understand, whatever the cups of love was there which has been spilled, for an example, if you were very much into someone, or you were having you were going overboard with your emotions, you were going overboard with your kindness, care, love, and the other person was not feeling the same, but still you were putting 100% efforts, and now when you realize that the other person was not putting a 50% effort also, and it was you who thought that even they were in love and they were not. Okay, guys, I completely understand this is hard to again feel, but I really need to be, and I like to be very much clear about it and give a clear idea, and don't hide anything, because as a tarot reader, that's my, I think, duty to tell you what vibe I'm getting. And yes, this is my clear vibe what I'm getting, that learn from the mistakes you made. Okay, learn why did you spend lot of time, energy, why did you spend lot of love on someone, even after you knowing that person don't deserve that much, or even after you knowing that person is not the correct person. If you did, if it was a mistake, okay, we all are human, we make mistakes, right? Learn from those mistakes, but don't stay in those mistakes. Yeah, these are 2 situations. Learn from them and move ahead, because you still have all the love and care. I told you, you are most emotional and sensitive sign in water sign, so take all these emotions with you and move ahead. Don't stay in those memories. Learn from them, where you went wrong, what you did wrong, and why you should not do it again, and then move ahead, right? I could tell you one thing. If you still look behind when 5 of cups comes in reverse, it means that if you still look behind, there is nothing left. Because if it was upright, I would have told, yes, look behind, there is something left. No, when it's reverse, it really means opposite of that. If you look behind, there is nothing left for you, Pisces. So there is no, not even a 1% hope that anything would create a good impact on that. Unless and until that person proves you completely that he is really worth your trust or deserves you, don't allow anybody to hurt you again. Yeah, but you have ace of cups also, right? And that's upright. So someone in coming future, maybe last week of July for some of you, or first week of August, someone will come with full of cup, full of help, full of love, offering you, and this time you are going to accept it, but after proper evaluation. but don't reject it also. Just because you had a bad experience in past, you had some arguments in past, you had a bad breakup with all those bad memories, don't reject them, or don't see them, or don't, be little grounded, guys, okay? Because they are approaching you because they find something good in you and they really love you, and if that's the proposal they are keeping, try to evaluate with positivity and try to accept it, because that's where, friends, that's where love comes in our life when we really require them. Correct? Then we have our overall energy as 7 of Wands. So it's again Wands. If you can see the situation, isn't it the similar way? These are arguments and there are again Wands. What does this mean? Your complete energy, or the complete I can tell vibe for this month, for the month of Cancer, for the month of July, would be on the top of everything. You would be focusing how to be on the top of everything. Means, if there are small arguments, if there are something which is affecting you, it could be your intrapersonal conflicts also, conflicts in your mind, battles in your mind. Not necessary, guys, that it's besides you're fighting literally with someone. It could be, but basically it also could be in your mind, whether to move ahead or not, whether to go ahead or not, whether to be still be chasing that person or not. Then stop those things, because now it's like fighting for yourself, fighting with yourself, and fighting by yourself, guys. And you really need to fight all those things and be on top of it. So this month, focus on how you will not fall for any arguments, how you will be more about peace and working in peace, so that you will have, or you will be more ready to accept this offer which will be coming in the future. Yeah, so with this, we would be meeting in our next month readings of Leo season. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.